Welcome. So today I would like to show you how to use Gamma.app to create slides for your classes. There are three options that you can choose from. You can import your own slides, you can create a brand new one, or you can use AI to create new slides. I have a free account and I am down to 357 credits. And then each time I create a slide deck, it costs around 40 credits. So let's take a look. You can click on Create New. And then here you have different options. You can import a file or URL to enhance different documents, presentations, or web pages. You can remix content. You can generate from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. So I have not used these features. I have only used this one, which is paste in text, where I give it either a PDF document or my exact outline, and then it generates the slides for me. I do not want to be using the one-line prompt in a few seconds because then now AI is creating the content and I am the one who is supposed to be creating the content. So if you click on the first one, paste in text, you have these options. And again, today we're focusing on presentation only. You can choose what type of slide you would like. I'm going to go with default. And then here you can paste the content. So what I like to do is to actually create the content for my slides. So here you can see slide 1, title slide. These slides are about hurricanes, and this is for my conversation class. And I am asking for 11 slides. I am going to have to change that to only 10. So you know what? Let me go ahead and take that out. And you might be thinking, why only 10 slides? Because with the free version, you can only generate 10 slides. If you'd like more than that, you need to have a paid version. So let's change this up. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here I have some instructions on how I want the slides to be created. Now here are the options. I am going to go with generate from notes or an outline, and I have the outline already in here. If you wanted, you could have selected a PDF document, for example, the one chapter from an OER, Open Educational Resource, and you could have chosen this portion, summarize the document. Anyway, so I am going to click on this, and now it's going to generate my slides. I could have also imported a PDF document and asked it to create it. So now here I have these options to just generate or to condense it or preserve. So over here, the amount of text that I want on each slide, minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive. I have used extensive before, and then there was a lot of information on the slides, good information, but the font was too small, and it does not follow best practices for slides, right? Because you should not have a whole lot of information. So let's go with concise. And then who is this for? ESL students learning about hurricanes. They are roughly at the 6th grade level. They're English. So the tone, output language, visuals. So what type of theme I would like. Let me go with the blue one here. AI images, and I'm going to choose photorealistic. There are different types that I could choose from. Okay, and then down here it says upgrade to plus to generate up to 20 cards. So let's click on generate and let's see what happens. Look at that. It's generating it right now. So once the slides are ready, once they have been generated, I will then compare them to my original outline and also compare them to my original source to make sure that all the information here aligns with the content that I want to teach my students, right? So you do got to check that. But look how beautiful this is. So I can check all the slides while they are being generated. Look at the picture. So cool. And this is being created in what, 30 seconds, 40 seconds? And look at that, it's coming up with group activities, more images. Okay. And then over here on the side, you have different options. You can change the images, you can edit the slides, make some modifications. Like what you created, create something else. So earlier I mentioned that you can only generate 10 slides. Now, if you'd like to add more slides, you actually can. You just click here on add new card. So you are able to add more slides on your own. You can duplicate a slide, copy the card, and so on. So let's say I reviewed the slide, I made some changes, and I'm happy with it. So now I am going to go ahead and download it. Here we go. I'm going to export the slides. So I can export them to PDF, Google Slides, PowerPoint. I'm going to do PowerPoint so that I can add it to my Canvas shell and so on. You can also embed the slides into your shell. Copy the embed code right here, iframe, go ahead and put that in your page. And you're good to go. So here we go. Here is now I have my slides ready to go. And I can make more edits as I want. So that's it. I can edit the theme if I'd like. But I'm good. Look at how many themes there are. All this is free. So the website is Gamma, GAMMA.app, APP. I hope you enjoy it and go create those beautiful instructional materials for your classes. And I will talk to you later. I also have other videos in my channel where I am going over Padlet TA and then also Beautiful AI. So please give those videos a watch and find out how you can use different types of tools to generate slides. Thank you for watching this. Bye.